Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can cut out an image on Canva. So what you can do is, first let's use a photo. Let's say we're gonna use this one. And then what we can do is click on this image and then go to edit photo. Now over here we have crop, and then we'll open this crop editor. Now what we can do is drag the corners like so, and then we can decide which part we want to cut out. So let's say I want to keep only this part over here, like so, right? And after that, I can press done over here. And then I only have this part of the image. If you want to adjust the image, you can double click the image that you have cut out, like so, just double click, and then you can do the adjustments. If you want to, you can make it bigger, and you can reposition the image. And then you can even double click outside the area. Or I think even one click. Yeah, you can just click outside the area in order to complete the process of cutting out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.